Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Crown. Today we'll cover classic Italian lasagna. Close your eyes and imagine this. Layers of tender pasta, slow simmered meat sauce rich with garlic and herbs, creamy ricotta, and a golden blanket of melted cheese. True Italian lasagna starts with real ingredients. Fresh lasagna noodles, none of that pre-cooked stuff, because they soak up the sauce and hold their texture. Quality ground beef, browned until caramelized, paired with sweet onions and garlic, sautéed to golden perfection. And the sauce? Homemade marinara, simmered with basil, and a splash of red wine for depth. Layering lasagna is an art. Start with a base of that robust meat sauce. Listen to that sizzle as it hits the dish. Then, the al dente noodles, sturdy enough to hold up those decadent layers. Next, the ricotta, creamy, velvety, mixed with egg for richness and a sprinkle of parmesan for sharpness. Then, more sauce, more noodles, more cheese. Want 20 lasagna recipes? From spicy to veggie-packed, click the link below. You need these. As it bakes, the cheese melts, and the sauce bubbles at the edges, and the top crisps to a golden brown masterpiece. But here's the secret. Let it rest. 10 minutes of patience lets the layers settle. No sloppy slices, just perfect cuts. Trust me, it's worth the wait. There it is, crispy on top, creamy in the middle, with layers so rich and savory, you'll swear you're in a trattoria in Rome. This is real Italian cooking, friends. And if you're hungry for more, grab our 20 lasagna recipes free by clicking the link below. Smash that subscribe button for weekly recipes that'll make you the hero of every dinner table.